And hey guys, we're over here in EPCOT today, and we stopped off at the Seas ride with Nemo and Friends. What we wanted to show you today are these guys, them three seagulls right there. They're actually from the movie. Now we're going to see if they make the mine sound today. We usually come in, we'll miss it, but let's see if we get them today. And there you have it. That's what we wanted you guys to see. Let's head on into the ride, guys. All right, we're all in the seats right now. You all comfy, Morgan?
Yep, I'm in here nice.
All right, so we're going to look back, give you guys a show of what to expect today. So when you come in, you get in these big old seashells, and this ride is going to take you on the outer perimeter of the building. So everything is on the outside in front of you, and you're just sitting in this car. You get to see the McDonald's fries swimming in the ocean right there. And now it's going to head on over, and we're going to show you what you're going to see now. You got Mr. Ray. See the glass windows in the background? You've got Mr. Ray in there. They did like incredible work getting that in there. It looks real, looks like the water behind it's real, but this is the effect of the entire ride. It's really cool. What part of the ride do you like the most? Oh, you like the tunnel with the turtles? I like the Mr. Ray back there, and then my next favorite is where you see Bruce with the sharks with the big submarine.
White stripes, and
And
it's kind of like smaller, so it's kind of like showing the smaller.
Now if you guys look around, check out all
I'm
the
Dory.
life around
I'm
all
Dory.
the plants and all the life around it. It looks real. You got more McDonald's fries too. And then you got another YouTuber right in front of us over there. Take a look at that. Somebody's filming. Right here, guys, this is the jellyfish. So this is supposed to simulate the jellyfish from the actual movie. It doesn't really do much. This is just one. I think it's like a time filler, like we just filled dead space here. But other than that, most of the ride has got all the effects all the way through it. So right now you're going through this dark spot, and this is where you come into that underwater fish that was lit up with the light on the front of it and stuff like that. And that's him in the background. And do excuse, it's very dark in here, so we got the camera cranking over. We're going to get something. Just give it a couple of seconds. Yeah, that didn't come out too good. It's just way too dark in this ride. But right there, we got the submarine, and this is where Chum. You got Bruce over there. And then you got and this is where it goes kind of dark a little bit, but it's a cool ride. This ride, all in all, is just awesome to go through. The kids who love this ride, you can't come over and not go on it. And this is your favorite part, Bubba? Yeah, these guys here, they're on an EAC. And this goes along the whole back wall. It's like a big loop that they did here. It's pretty awesome. Going down, you see all the turtles. They'll be coming back and forth. You're going to see a pile of them in a second. And then you got Nemo and Squirt. And here we go. It's all getting faster now. So you see all the turtles starting to move a little quicker. And once again, this is the EAC, just like in the movie. So they go fast and then they slow on down. And then we make our way past that. We're coming back into civilization here. You got Dory, you got Marlin, you got David, and everybody's singing the songs today. And you got the big song that's pretty much all into this ride with control. You got Mr. Ray right there on the stage inside his back. And you got And keep posted, guys. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.